In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Kajabi, a beginner's guide to getting started with this all-in-one online business platform. Whether you're looking to create an online course, build a website, or manage a membership site, Kajabi offers the tools you need under one roof. Let's dive into the process. To start, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a prominent button that says Start Free Trial or Get Started. Go ahead and click on that to begin your journey with Kajabi. Next, you'll be directed to choose a pricing plan. Kajabi offers several tiers such as Basic, Growth, and Pro. Spend a moment to review what each plan offers and select the one that best suits your needs. It's important to note that during this free trial period, there won't be any charges unless you decide to continue with the service beyond the trial. Now let's create your account. You'll need to input your name, email address, and a password. This information will serve as your login credentials to access the Kajabi platform. It's a good idea to use a strong password to ensure your account remains secure. After that, you'll be asked to enter your payment information. Although the trial is free, Kajabi requires a credit or debit card to activate your trial account. Sometimes a small hold might appear on your card to verify its validity, but rest assured, no charges will be incurred unless you opt to keep the subscription after the trial period ends. Once you've entered this information, click on Start Free Trial, or you might see Sign Up instead. By doing this, you'll be redirected to your new Kajabi dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you'll be guided through a quick setup wizard that helps customize your Kajabi site. You will add essential details like your business name, logo, and define your primary goals for using Kajabi. This helps in tailoring your experience to better suit your needs. At the end of this setup process, you'll have the opportunity to begin creating your first course, product, or website page. Kajabi offers intuitive tools to make this process as smooth as possible, letting you focus on your content rather than the technical aspects. And there you have it. You're all set up and ready to explore the wealth of possibilities available on Kajabi. By following these steps, you've successfully signed up and prepared your account for launching your next big project. Be sure to explore all the features Kajabi offers to make the most out of your experience. Thank you for joining me today.